You can tell, look, this is all gated off here. Right here it's gated off. That's somebody's home there. So somebody lives in this board house here. Always a really nice part of it that is just, you know, amazing. Almighty Jaja guide we, man. You know? I'm not gonna lie though, this part of town though is the ghetto people, yeah? Look at that fresh chickens people here just out here. Understand? Very hot outside, people, so yeah man, big up yourself. 24-hour kitchen with there. Ringo Vision out in a Turkey, people. Just to take a stroll right now. Yeah man, we don't know where we are, we don't know where everything is, but we're just walking. So we just show you where I'm going. I like it, Ricardo?
Yeah, good vibes, good vibes.
Good vibes. Yeah. You come like the weather pick up though.
Yeah,
like
the weather.
You can't say it jump up.
The weather look like something that's like ready for active.
Yeah, look, I have to keep squinting here because of how bright the sun is. When we're here in the UK, yeah, you can open up your eyeball them wide, because guess what? No sun now shining on your face. But it's the moment you come to a hot country.
Different, everything active.
Everything just open up your eyes, everything.
Yeah,
like,
a serious thing, man.
Yeah.
A serious thing, brother, a serious thing.
Alertness.
Yeah, a serious thing.
So chef, you don't recommend the place for people to come?
Well, every time.
Yeah?
Come to Turkey, have a little bit of fun.
Yes.
And enjoy the weather.
Yes. And that's it, man. So let me spin the camera around, people, and just show you the environment. This looks like a community here in Turkey. We've walked from our resort and we're just walking, you understand? Just to see what the place looks like and how the place is set up, you understand? A good vibes. Yeah. Just a little stroll. So just anything we see, we are show it to you. You understand? Just keep liking, sharing, you understand? We're still up on the mission, said we. I haven't seen any homeless people over here. You see any homeless people, Chef Ricardo?
No, sir.
Or maybe it's because of where we are.
Yeah, I think.
I don't think you're good sitting for document, Chef Ricardo. Come look here.
Oh, yeah.
We can't see one of this in England that blows not. Just one of them that you want in your backyard. Now, I'm in the street, man. Look at this, people. How amazing it is, yeah, to just have a fruit tree in your garden and you can come and make fresh orange juice. You can just eat orange. You understand? It's nice to be able to have that flexibility. Allow me to tell you, Chef.
Definitely, 100%.
Because in England, the whole tree them kill out, you know, nobody have no tree in their backyard and grow fruits, you know.
Because of the weather, innit? Yeah,
not even because of the weather. Even if the weather was alright, the country just kill out it. Yeah. Like the government, them no want nobody if you have nothing for free. They must come at the supermarket or go somewhere go buy it. You can't grow it in your yard.
If you grow it in your yard, a problem.
A problem. But look on this, where I pass through right now, people, and we see palm trees. This comes like it's like a local community here. You understand? Like a little residential place. You understand? But our good vibes. Our resort is all the way back over that side, and we just have to take a walk. Eh? Alright, that there? How you answer to me, say?
But the things are upset, man, you know.
But one thing, Mrs. still, I want this Chef called the power station.
Yeah, it looks so.
But they shouldn't have a door open, so the door should unlock.
They must have fixed it or something.
Yeah. But you can see, say, look, this is coming like a ghetto part of Turkey, though, by yourself. Just the way, like, everything just, you understand? I'm more showing you as well, people here in the background here, what you can see here. You can see the clouds in the sky here, but deep in the background, you can see the mountains. And on top of these mountains, I'm sure it's snow on top of the peak of the mountains. It's still there, you understand? If you just look right there in the distance. Yeah, man, a good vibe said way. We're just walking through the place, people, yeah? So it seems like Turkey is a wonderful, beautiful place, but it's still undergoing a lot of development, you understand? So as much as you have some beautiful parts, you still have some parts here, around here, that's still a little bit rough. But guess what? the roughness don't even look away, no, Chef Ricardo, car.
Yeah, yeah.
You see the way the sun hot? And the happiness just did it, and the vibes just did it.
It's like nothing.
It's like nothing. Yeah. And you just know, say, through the place and the development anywhere, it's a must to see the place kind of like this. We might come back here in a 5-year time now, and the whole of us are shop and business and you know. The amount of open land we're there, you know. Yeah, holy part, like, look here. This is coming like it's a villa they might build right, that's what too. We're just basically almost just complete too. I try to say the whole place under construction, man. So even if you look a little bit ghetto, it's not a dangerous ghetto. Cause when people hear about ghetto, they might think about war and crime and violence. Yeah. So this is a complex, Chef Ricardo. Let me just check in and just have a look. Hello. Is hotel here? Okay, so the gentleman, Chef Ricardo, this is a hotel, no? It's a private. Yeah, private. Like, you know, like when them have like a gated community? Yeah, this one is like one of them. So Chef Ricardo, my grandfather did have one of them in Jamaica, you know? Eh? May I tell you, man, of them are sitting here we used to have back home, whole tractor. My grandfather have a whole tractor around there. I'm one of the first man in the community to have one tractor too. You know what it is to have a tractor, own a tractor? Back in the day, I know normal sitting. If you own a tractor back in the day, people, yeah? So yeah, man, big up yourself with there. Active. See, police them a circle the place, you know? They not play, you know, the police them over there, so I circle the place as well. You think fishing here, Chef Ricardo? You think fishing here?
I don't know.
I think a fresh water. Fresh water, you know, but you don't go choose it down there, so when you go down there, so you get stagnant. But the water you go back, so. Yeah. Yes, people, you know Ringo Vision already, yeah? I like to do my little adventures and my little walkabouts, and I always find myself in some parts, some places, yeah? You understand? Just to get a look at enlightenment, because we can't stuck up in a one place when you go some place, you understand? You have to venture out, have a look, see what the community is like, see what the place is like, you understand, people, yeah? Are good vibes. Look, everyone, yeah? I was walking down there, yeah? I miss them bad dog, yeah? I'm not taking no check. I don't see nobody around here guarding them or looking after them, yeah? And instead of one of this, I see cock back all in ears and lift up all in tail. A badness there in the pan, you know? Me nah get no bite. So excuse me, people, yeah, because I really wanted to go over there and walk and have a little venture. But me see them 3 bad dogs there. Me turn back, master. Turn back. Yeah, man. Nah, take no check. So what it looks like here, anyway, in this little section here, it just looks like there's a lot of machinery that was being used in the community here in Antalya that's just been left. You understand? It's just there now. Yeah, good vibe still. Big up yourself, people, yeah. I wanted to go down there. Look, our next dog come out now, you see? You see, it coming like them new Ringo Vision I go forward round, so you know, they just come out. And you can tell that these dogs here are just some wild dogs. So you see, if me see them run towards me, I can't run them, I have to just climb up. I just have to just climb up on here, so. You understand? But are good vibes. This little rural spot here, you can see that there's probably water around here sometimes because how the ground is just dry and it's just cracking up. But like I said, everybody, yeah, it's an environment, it's open land, and it just seems like Turkey's got like a lot of land masses here in Antalya, and there's a lot of room for improvements. You understand? Investors probably come here and they build properties. You understand? This is like a community here behind me, so everything's kind of like gated in and boxed in. You understand, people? I'm just on the outskirts because some of these communities, I don't know if you can actually just go through and walk through like that. As you can see in the distance there, there's some other local residency and stuff like that over there. You understand? You know what I've been hearing as well, people, yeah, is chickens. And look, see the dog there, I run coming up. So we have to just kick back. Good vibes. What? Oh, Chef Ricardo, you don't know how can I tree? Chef,
Yeah.
you don't know how can I tree this?
What is that? Simple orange.
It's a lemon tree, blood. Look at these lemon. Yes, everybody. So I have to. I've never seen even a lemon tree in the UK, people. Yeah, so it's amazing to see that. I come here in Turkey, you understand, and I was able to bump into like trees like this, people. Yeah, you understand. Anywhere you go in the world, and you can get fresh fruits and vegetables just growing just randomly, you're winning. You're winning. You understand? That just show you the joy and the beauty of life. You understand, people? And this one lemon tree here is carrying maybe hundreds, a couple hundreds of lemon. As you can see that you've got some fresh ones here. You've got some fresh ones here. You've got fully grown, developed ones here. So I've never really seen no lemons as big as this, people. Yeah, wow. So we've got some giant lemons, you understand? A good vibe. Just a look at discovery here in Antalya, people, yeah. I'm just walking on the streets and I just see a lemon tree. Look at the size of these lemons, and you can tell that these lemons are organic as well. They're not like the ones that we probably get in the supermarket. But yeah, man, it's a good vibes. We're there. Look out for the videos that's going to be coming out on the YouTube. Antalya, Turkey. We're in the next little residential area here right now, people, yeah. A good vibe. It's a yard with bare nice things, you understand? A good vibes. I'm not going to pick anything because I don't know who it belongs to, and we don't want to create any fuss amongst anybody. But I just come to just show you guys the lemon tree and what I've just discovered. You understand, people? Yeah, a good vibes. Big up yourself. Oh wow, there's an orange tree there, you know. Orange tree. Look at that. Seems like it's a tangerine tree. A good vibes. What a nice place. It's a nice little community here. You can, okay. See what I go on, people. So look. Amazing, look at this. This is an orange tree. So we've seen a lemon tree. Now, you understand, we see an orange tree. You understand, this is absolutely amazing, people, yeah. And then right here now, you have a banana tree. Look at that. I wonder if bananas come on this tree, people, yeah. But like I said, it's a tropical country and it's got a tropical vibes to it. But even these banana leaves here, these are something that you could even eat from as well. So everything is beneficial. You understand, people, yeah? The banana tree, the orange tree. Okay, so that's an orange tree and this one seems like a tangerine tree. They're different. Wow. So we've got, I think it's a tangerine. It feels quite soft. Good vibes. Put it in the comment section, everybody, if you're watching, and just let me know what you think. You understand? A good vibes. So we've got a tangerine tree. We've got an orange tree. And we have a lemon tree. A good vibes, man. I'm just walking through a private community here in Antalya, people, yeah, and I just feel like the place is really nice. You understand? It's different. And right across the border here, what we've got over there, the distance over there, this is private residence. So I don't want to really to impersonate too much, but I just wanted to come and just show you guys a vibe, show you guys a view. Right across over there, you can see that there's another community, there's other communities over there. But yeah, man, big up yourself. We're there, Turkey, people, yeah. It's a nice place. This seems like it's a little complex. And what I've noticed that there's loads of cats everywhere and they don't run. They don't run from you. So yeah, man, big up all the cats them that I've seen. Look, there's another cat over there as well. So there's loads of cats. I think every single yard has cats over here. I think it's a good thing because what that does, cats get rid of rodents, certain rodents like mice, rats, all them type of little things that run around. You understand? It's good to have a cat around because a cat, you understand, keep the place to a certain level. Big up yourself, people, yeah, with our Antalya, Turkey, and I'm just showing you the back, the other side, other than the tourists, all over that section over there, that's where all the hotels is. You understand? I've just come, look, see the lemon tree there again, are good vibes. It's a good vibes, people. So we're just there, so our turkey, and the gentleman here, he's doing some fishing. So our good vibes, man. I tell you, say vibes there, no, Chef Ricardo. What fish is in this water? What kind of fish? Yeah, fish here.
Kefal.
Like sea bass?
Sazan.
Can
Okay.
you eat them?
You can eat? When you catch, you can eat? You can eat?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can eat? Okay. Good. Yes, people, the people here in Turkey, not everybody speaks fluent English, but you know, just through body language and things like that, we can all communicate and get our point across, people. But there's some fishing going on in here, so good vibes. Yeah.
No, yok.
Yeah.
Ben öbür taraf. Köşeye gideceğim. Varsa orada var.
Şeye mi?
He, varsa orada. Gidelim o tarafa.
Sağa mı dönüyorsun?
Sağa tam dönmüyorum canım. Ya bu şerefsizler ağa atıyorlar, tamam mı? Bak,
Allah Allah.
bir haftadır takip ediyorum. En köşe.
Everyone, so we just met some locals here, some residents of Turkey. We can't really do much translation, but it's a good vibes. They're here doing some fishing, you understand, people, yeah? While I was just traveling and surfing through the community. But let's just keep going, and it's a good day today. See, man, one man come up on his bike, one man drive forward, you understand? So yeah, man, we're just gonna take a look at walk said way. And yeah, they're just fishing along this river here, all the way along this river here. They're just doing some fishing, but you understand? Yeah, man, Turkey's a good place, people. Yeah, it's got a lot of scenery, it's got a lot of vibes to it. I think like where we are right now is a little bit part of the ghetto, you understand? But at the same time, when you go in town, you see everything else. But it's good to just show you like a little bit of the outskirts as well, people. Look at this fishing rod that he's got, long fishing rod there, you know? I know what thing. So what I want to show you, everybody, here, as well as we've come around to this part of where we are, we've actually crossed the city that we're in, and the town that we're in is across this river. And we've just been on bare walkabouts, you understand, people, yeah? Just traveling through Turkey and just walking through the back roads, you understand? Them man here come out here to come and fish. I just want to see if they catch a fish quickly, you understand? And just walking as well, cause the dog them did back me up over there saying, but to me see them man here pass through, man pass through as well, you understand? But there's a lot of people out here fishing on the riverbank. It seems like it's a regular thing where people just come out here and just fish, you understand? This part of land here seems like it's barricaded off. Understand? Okay, the riverbank in Tapia, the river actually goes round and go around this, so the river is separating the place still. Yeah, you got some people over there on the banking over there doing some fishing as well, people. They're doing their own thing. I wonder if they've caught anything. I'm not gonna lie though, this part of town though is the ghetto, people, yeah. Obviously you got the nice part where we was earlier and whatnot that you've seen on the videos and whatnot. But this is the actual, do you understand? Bit ghetto, bit trenchy, you understand? Like this is the part of town where maybe at night time you wouldn't come around there because you don't know what's going on and you don't know the setup of the place. But where it's kind of daytime now, I'm just taking my little stroll, taking my little walk, you understand, people? You can tell, look, this is all gated off here. Right here, it's gated off. That's somebody's home there. So somebody lives in this board house here. So again, you understand? The way the place is built up and set up, it's got like a resemblance of back home as well, from where I come from, Jamaica, because we used to board houses. We used to this type of look and river and gully and all them sort of sitting there, you understand? So ain't nothing really new. It's just a different place, a different environment, and it just looks different, you understand? But it's the same type of thing, but just in another country. A good vibe said way. Yeah, you know what I thought it was? I thought it was a joint of sugarcane, but fresh bamboo, people, yeah? fresh bamboo. This is one of the strongest wood material them, yeah. Bamboos are really, really durable. You can use bamboos for a lot of things, people, yeah. You can even use the bamboo to make your fishing rod as well, people, yeah. So the bamboo is, yeah, a lot of bamboo out here still. Good vibes. Across the river, it's a whole nother community across the river, people, yeah. But yeah, man.
Good luck.
Good luck. Bye-bye.
Cool.
Look at that, fresh chickens, people, yeah, just out here. You understand? Off the riverside, said way. You can hear big cock crowing around there. Yeah. I don't think much people has really seen this part of Turkey. When you come to Turkey, a lot of people's probably seen all the nicest part, but like when you go to any country, any place in the world, there's always a really, really, really nice part of it that is just, you know, amazing. And then you got a next part that's probably a little bit more rougher, and you understand? So that's what it is, people. We're just there, as I said, with our turkey, and I'm just giving you an insight, because I'll show you the nice things them where I go on, but I just thought I'm going to just walk on a little walk. You understand? And on this little walk here, we're coming on, yeah, so local community, you understand? Like I said, there's loads of different community here, and this is like we're going a little bit like inland, because the sea is back that direction. So it's like, this is where in town, inland more, you understand, people, yeah? So I just thought I'd just venture off. I'm gonna walk, by the way, people, yeah? So, you know, it's just a simple little stroll, simple little walk, good vibes. I just want to show you guys where I go on said way. Almighty Judge our guide, we, man. You know? He hit them. Yes, people, big up yourself. Yeah, man, we're there. Life in Lara, people, yeah. Cause Lara, they call the community at Chef Ricardo. Yeah, Lara community. Yeah. I Ringo Vision and Chef Ricardo are walking streets, you know, people, so big up on yourself. You understand? A good vibe, said we. I just wanted to life in Lara. Okay. Yeah.
Life in Lara Villa.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You alright?
People, big up yourself, because I don't know, say, yeah, man, with our Lara Antalya. So we come far out of our comfort zone, because we feel the energy in the area, in the community that we're in, and say, right, it's positive, it's good energy, it's good vibes, said way. Yeah. Understand? We just took a little venture out and a little walk out, and I wanted to show you guys these places that is different from the usual places that people come to in Turkey, like the front line where you've got the strip, where you've got the hotels, the resorts and all that kind of stuff. We've actually come into the back rural part of Turkey, understand, where they've got like it's a little bit more rough, it's a little bit more derelict, you understand? There's a lot of open land, like look, we're here, and it's open too. I could imagine that there's a lot of agriculture and farming as well at the same time. What I've seen here in the country so far is that there's a lot of development here in Antalya. You understand? And Antalya has a side to it that looks so nice and beautiful. But like I said, on these outskirts where we've come to, you understand? There's a lot of development to be made and a lot of things that are in process. We've seen rubble here, rubble there. We've seen buildings that were there, but they're not there no more. You understand? But at the same time, people, yeah, just stay tuned. Would I recommend you coming to Antalya, Turkey? Most definitely. Despite where we've looked at today and where we've gone, that's just few choices, just to show you guys. But if you're coming here on a general vacation to have some fun, enjoy yourself, yeah man, you have to come here man, come check it out people, yeah. A good vibe. Chef Ricardo, I mean, I will go visit Chef Ricardo there, you know. Yeah man, we're gonna try and find our way back to where we just walked from today and just, you understand? So a good vibes, look up yourself people, yeah, that is it.